What's up, guys? It's the Fixbroz, and today we're back at the shop and we're gonna continue working with the Civic. So our plan for today is to drill out all of these spot welds and cut out the damaged piece. This is the donor part that we're gonna be using on our Civic. So basically, we are gonna do the same thing over here as we do on the Civic to make it match and fit perfectly snug. This hole is the marking where we have to start drilling. So from this hole all the way down to this hole, we have to drill out. Okay, so we only have one drill, so only one person can use it right now. So I'm gonna have to wait till he's done drilling or he's tired. Then I'm gonna start drilling, but we only have one drill for now, so that's a little bit of a problem. We can't go that quick, but that's okay. Okay guys, you can see some progress over here. See all those holes that we already made? Still drilling. While we were drilling, we figured out that this part was drilling out much quicker than the bottom part. And look at this, there's 3 layers of metal. 3 layers of sheet metal that we have to drill through. While we were drilling, the drill bit just broke right in half. The reason we ended up with the broken drill bit is because when we were drilling, we weren't drilling straight. We were drilling a little bit sideways, so there was pressure over here and it just snapped. We got a 1 size bigger drill bit, and now we're drilling out the spot weld. Just go slow and push on the spot weld and you'll get it out in no time. Now we have drilled out all the spot welds on the car. We have to go and drill out all the spot welds on the donor part. Now we're done drilling out all the spot welds. Now we have to use this special tool to pry the sheet metal from the frame. Use that tool to pry apart all of this. Now you can see it's just off. So now we're gonna use a grinder to cut it about somewhere over here and around somewhere around here, and then down here, and then across over here on the bottom. We have scratched all the area where we're going to be cutting, and now Paul is going to cut it. And finally, we are done cutting out this piece Let's remove it. And sadly, we didn't find any treasures under there, but there was barely any frame damage here. Just a little bit over here, and this dent right here. We're gonna fix that. Guys, go check out our merch. The link is in the description. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.